Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to use Threads from Instagram. Open the App Store and search Threads. Tap on the Threads app and install it in your device. Log into your account using Instagram. You will be directed to the home page and scroll down to find thread posts. Go to the Profile tab and tap on Edit Profile. You can make it a public account by simply turning off the Private Account button. Go back and tap on the three bars on the top. In the side menu, tap on Privacy and you can make changes here. Go to the Search tab and explore different accounts. Follow the account to keep updated with their posts. Tap on the pen icon to create a new post. Write your thoughts and post in your profile. Go to the heart icon at the bottom and you will see all the notifications here. Swipe right at the given option and select buttons to view notifications. Go to the home page and tap on the two arrows icon under the post. You can repost and quote the post using the given options. Tap on the share icon to share the post with friends. Also, there are a few buttons at the bottom to add it to the story and more. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.